Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the second dialogue between Vikram and Lynn.
Free neighborhood tour. Vikram wants more customers at his cafe. He asks Lynn for an idea.
I have a great idea. We can give free tours of the neighborhood.
Free tours? How does that help the cafe?
Easy. We walk around the neighborhood and the tour ends here at your cafe. Then people buy coffee and cake.
That's actually a good idea, Lynn.
The next day, 5 people come for the free tour. Lynn starts walking with them. Vikram goes too.
Okay, everyone. Welcome to the tour. This building is very old. It's 200 years old.
Lynn, that building is new. It's only 10 years old.
Shh, Vikram. Okay, and this street? A very famous actress lived here once.
That's not true, Lynn.
Vikram, please. I'm working.
The people on the tour laugh a lot. They like Lynn's stories.
But Lynn, the stories are not real.
Yes, but the people are happy. And happy people buy cake.
The tour ends at Vikram's cafe. The people buy a lot of coffee and cake.
Wow, we made a lot of money today. Lynn, thank you.
You're welcome. So, I gave you a really good idea today. And I worked very hard.
Yes, you did.
So, I think I get free cake. That's fair, right?
Wait, was this your plan? You wanted free cake this whole time?
Vikram, I always have a plan.